Hello, my name is Nirbhay and I'm going to teach you Adobe Illustrator for fashion design. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you will be able to create fashion croquis with the help of a fashion photograph image. So as you can see, the proportion of the image is 8 head, but you know the fashion croquis is always 10 head. So first thing you should do is to enlarge the image from top and make it slight longer so that it should become 8 head uh, proportion. And then I'm going to use pen tool around it and I'm going to trace it. So I'm just taking the pen tool and I'm going to remove the fill and I'm going to use the black stroke color for now, and I'm going to start using the pen tool. So it is going to take a lot of time, so I'm going to fast forward the video. So now I think the pen tool work is almost done. So I'm going to remove the summers and see how it looks. So I guess our croquis is almost ready. The next thing you should do is to make the hairs, the eyes, and you should drape some garment. So this was very easy if you use existing image from the internet and you have to create a croquis like that. Hope you like this video, and I guess you will be able to make your own croquis. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to drape a garment, an existing garment or flat sketch on top of a blank croquis. uh, I would like to request you to kindly like, share, and subscribe so that I will be getting back to you with more and more videos, and it will help you to become digitally more stronger in terms of fashion design. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or query, you can write in the comment box below, and I'll be getting back to you with the new videos. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks very much. Have a nice day.